Today we have a lovely 1972 Ferrari 246 GT Dino Coupe. It has been well known to us. It has recently received a full engine rebuild by a marque specialist here on the East Coast. And we're gonna take it for a ride and see what it's like. Come on. Alrighty, well, here's our cold start. Look at that. Look at that window fly. I think they were just redone. Cables, both windows. Not even the slightest bit slow. Dinos are one of my favorites because of the feel, the characteristics. It's a very much like a go-kart. It's got character as well. Looking out of the front windscreen is absolutely awesome. At the front fenders, it's very race car, 206 SP sort of look. It's got some of the best sounds you'll have in a Ferrari. It does rev really well, which we'll show you as soon as it warms up a little bit. Second gear synchro is wonderful. We're gonna take it down through suburbia, warm it up a little bit before we take it onto the twisties and then our farm road. So this car was a US car, has electric windows, no AC. Great color combination. Was in England for quite some time with long-term ownership. Then in Florida with a good client before it was traded. Then it was traded and went to a collector in Connecticut. And now she is back. Okie dokie. Well, here we are. She's all warmed up. Driving through Huntington suburbia. As you could hear, it sounds wonderful. We've opened the vent windows on both sides so you get a little cross ventilation, which actually makes a huge difference in these cars when it's warm outside. Got wonderful disc brakes. Wonderful seating position. They're just go-karts. They're Italian go-karts. So as you can see, she likes the twisties. Fourth gear, cruising through some of the back roads. It's just fun. And by the way, it cruises really well on the highways because it's geared really, really well. Just fun. Let's turn down here. It's actually really docile around town. But again, super, super fun. They're very reliable. Sound is awesome. It's not a V12, but it just has a wonderful sound that's reminiscent of the smaller engine race cars. And it revs exceptionally freely. And of course, the engine was just done. So it's fresh. It's only got break-in miles on it. And we're gonna stop now and let Jason out so we can do our flybys. we hope you enjoyed the flybys. I can say, I hope you agree it sounds exceptionally nice from the outside. And what's the phrase? On song at higher RPMs, revs. Gearbox feels great. Engine temps and pressures are great. The clock is working. Not much we can tell you other than she's really virtually turnkey, other than a rather old radio. Really tight, well dialed in, great brakes. We're going to come up on the farm road in a couple seconds. Okay, here we are on the farm road, and at the traffic light, we opened the glove box, and Jason showed me there is a modern radio.
Nice modern radio.
Woohoo!
Pretty cool.
So, that's good to go as well. So we're already in third gear. You've seen the fact that first, second work really well. Fourth gear, fifth gear, you could cruise all day. It's only 2,500 RPM. We can downshift to third and see what sort of giddy up and go she's got. She's got plenty, and again, they're just a whole load of fun. Wonderful tour rally cars. You could go away for the weekend because the actual boot or trunk has space to put bags in it. I mean, even a suitcase, since it's like well thought out, not just soft luggage. So there's not much else we can tell you. We've just done a 12-mile loop. She has been exceptional. We're going to bring her back to the homestead, clean her up, and put her away. Maybe I'll drive this home tonight, actually. Well, anyway, she's here for the taking, and we welcome any questions you may have. And watch this. Proper Fiat horns. So, thank you for watching.